Yeah, in 2019, I was diagnosed with inguinal hernia, and then I was searching for a better doctor, for a good surgeon online through Google. I got to know about Dr. Ankit, and then when I went and met him in CMRI, so he helped me. He made me understand the things that is there and what needs to be done. And yes, I means it was supposed to be the operation was supposed to be done um, last year before the lockdown, but then as we planned, then the lockdown started, nothing happened. So yeah, we finally took the decision. Operation was done this year, few days back, and yeah, I'm in the recovery process. But the way it was done and the way the doctor explained everything to me and to my family, it was just amazing. The way he handled things, it was seriously amazing. I didn't it was beyond my expectation, and his behavior, his professionalism, he was just a friend to me. More than a doctor, he's just a friend to me, a brother to me. And I thank you once again, and would recommend everyone with these type of problem to consult Dr. Ankit Mishra. And yeah, and a big thank you from my family's end. Thank you so much.